Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial today, I'm going to explain what displacement is. Many students find it difficult to understand physics. The reason is they lack the basic knowledge of physics. So in this channel, I teach the basics of physics step by step for easy understanding. And today I'm going to explain what displacement is. So let's get started. Displacement is the change in an object position. Position simply means where an object is or where an object is located. So when you change the position of an object, that is what displacement is. Like let's say I place this object here. If I push it and change its position and move it to some distance here, so this is what displacement is. Displacement means change in an object position. Displacement is a vector that points from the initial position x bar to the final position xf. So what this means is that position is the difference between final position final position and initial position. So quantity displacement is represented by this change in x or delta x. Unit name. The unit of displacement is meter, as in the case of distance they have the same unit. And the symbol of displacement is just symbol of meter. So thank you for watching my video. If you have question, kindly drop it in the comment box, and thank you for watching. You can share this video with some other student. Thank you.